Simply Drawn here, and today we're drawing a basic key. We're hoping it's the key to unlock our limiting beliefs. So we're starting with the top of the key. It's a little bit more of an oval than a circle, either one would work. And then I'm going to make the hole where you put the key ring through, and I go around a little extra so it has a little three-dimensional quality there with that crescent moon underneath. And just for interest, so it's not quite so plain, I'm going to divide the top of the key in half with two horizontal lines. Now we're doing the vertical line down. This one's going to be the top of the key. I'm doing a smooth on one side, and I'm going to angle back to where I'm going to have the teeth of the key, so a little bit of a castle line and a zigzag line as I work my way back up to the head of the key. And just a vertical line all the way down alongside the top of the key, and one just part way down. And lastly, I just add in a little bit of lines for interest. So remember to ask yourself, what if you already have the key to the limiting beliefs? And what if the only thing that's keeping you from getting what you want is the story you're telling yourself?